Now I'm gonna change the cabin air filter. It comes with the instruction. If you don't know it how, I'm gonna show you it anyway. Pull the glove box out. So just push here. The best part is to push this side out and then start from the back. Push a little bit up. There's a clip holding it, and then there's a right side is as well. It can slide out. Then you push this up, and that's it. Put a new one in. Looks dirty already, clogged up. I haven't used this car so much, but if the air filter says it needs to be replaced, then it needs. So I'm doing this every 10,000 kilometers, which actually premium service, I guess. Now I'm gonna put this back in there. This side is already broken when I bought the car. I'm gonna carefully push it, so both sides are in there. Now I'm gonna push this back in. That's it. The filter is in there. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like it. I'll appreciate your support. Likes, comment and subscribe.